Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of some common shellfish in English. Before we begin, if you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these words in English today. Please give it a try. Crab, crab, crab. Clams, clams, clams. Crawfish, crawfish, crawfish. Lobster, lobster, lobster. Mussels, mussels, mussels. Oysters, oysters, oysters. Scallops, scallops, scallops. Sea urchin, sea urchin, sea urchin. Shrimp, shrimp, shrimp. Abalone, abalone, abalone. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time. This is Jay, signing off. See you again real soon. Stay safe, everyone. Goodbye.